Chapter 4, sum number 3. From the following informations related to the partnership firm, find out the value of its goodwill based on 3 years purchases of average profit for the last 4 years. The profit of the year 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 amounted 10,000, 12,500, 12,000 and 1,500 respectively. The average profit கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த ப்ராஃபிட்டை ஆட் பண்ணணும். So business was looked after by a partners and his fair remunerations amount to 2,500 per year. The amount was not considered in calculations of above the profit. So இந்த sum எப்படி போடுறதுன்றதை பார்க்கலாம். Sum number 3ல average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. Average profit calculate பண்ண is 10,000 plus 12,500 plus 12,000 plus 11,500 divided by 4. The total பண்ணா 10,000, 12,500, 12,000, 11,500 add பண்ணா 46,000 வருது. The 46,000 4 ஆல divide பண்ணா rupees 11,500 வருது. இதன் average profit before adjusting. Average profit before adjusting fair remuneration of the partners rupees 11,500. இதுல less fair remuneration of the partners. பார்ட்னரோட remuneration subtract பண்ணணும். 11,500 less 1,500 subtract பண்ணா 10,000 வருது. இந்த 10,000 average profit. இது average profit goodwill கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணணும். The goodwill equal to average profit into number of years purchases. Average profit எவ்வளோ calculate பண்ணணும்? 10,000 calculate பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Into purchases of years 3 years. 10,000 into 3 30,000. இந்த sum இதோட முடியுது. Thank you.